What's wrong with you, man?
Man, I just want to kill somebody.
Who?
Anybody.
There's a whole lot of anybody's in the world, man.
You know, I had this image in my head of Rick James killing my mama. I mean, I know Rick James ain't killed my mama. He just favored this dude named Slim. You know.
What you got in your head now?
All kinds of images. Wet up, it's when it rains and pours. It usually goes down over money and hard. But little homie, in my hood when it rains and pours. This is real, little homie, when it rains and pours. All tips and talents, when it rains and pours. Get caught in late showers just because niggas ain't playing when it rains and pours. The Colombians hit back at Majestic by cutting off his supply of drugs. Eventually, just like Levi, Majestic had to go shake hands with Delgado. But neither were happy about it. One shot, one kill, what's the deal? Yeah, what's the deal? Listen, little homie, when it rains it pours. Hollow tips and talents, when it rains it pours. We caught it in late showers, just because niggas ain't playing. When it rains it pours. Niggas get set up, it's when it rains it pours. End up wet up, it's when it rains it pours. Usually goes down over money and horse. But little homie, in my hood, when it rains it pours. Ain't nothing changed, niggas doing the same old shit. Them new hollow tips and them same old clips. In the projects,
these folks feeling you, man.
Same old chicks. And somehow,
come on, man, let me get my house.
I'm be your manager.
Man, let me in my house. Stop playing and shit.
I'm telling you, this shit hot, man.
Charlie drunk, drinking wild Irish rose on the coast. You looking good.
Thank you. I did it for you.